new hair, who dis? Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel and to another video. If you think you've clicked into the wrong person, no you did not. It's me, just really upgraded with my beautiful new hair. So if you guys don't know, my hair is currently very short and quite boring. There's not much I can do with it. So I'm super happy to have received the most beautiful real hair extensions from Mhot Hair. I'm gonna show you how I put them on. This has been pretty much a super quick 3-minute transformation from this to this. Okay, if you wanna know how to achieve this look with those beautiful mermaid waves, then keep on watching. And before we do that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and of course check out Mhot Hair. They are an amazing brand that delivers the best products when it comes to clip-in hair extensions. So check them out. Everything you need to know is linked below. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So now I'm gonna share with you the most important details of which clip-ins I'm wearing, what they are, how they work, all that jazz. So as I said, the clip-ins come from the brand Mhot Hair that I have partnered up with for this video. So massive shout out to Mhot. And what I have on me at the moment are the 18-inch extensions in the color 8, the level 8, neutral brown, which is basically the lightest brown right before we get into the blondes. And as you see on the website at the moment that I'm showing you, you can choose so many different shades. They have block colors, so like, you know, just one color. They have balayage, they have highlights, basically everything under the sun you can choose from. So that is great. The other thing that is absolutely amazing is that they have 160 grams, which is a very thick version of hair extensions. They are beautiful and luscious and very full. If you guys don't know already, my hair is extremely thick. I have so much hair, and if it was less than that, it would surely not blend as beautifully. So I'm very happy and excited about how it looks. So Mhot Hair, if you are into hair extensions, I'm sure you have heard of the brand. They are known for pretty much the best Remy hair extensions on the market, and yes, this is real hair. As I said before, mine are in 18-inch, which is pretty much the perfect length if you want a beautiful long hair but not too long. To me, the length is just perfect. They are silky soft, they do not tangle, and they are not frizzy at all. Of course, once you use them a couple of times, you can wash them with your normal shampoo and condition them. They are just perfect to work with. They never shed. So with Mhot Hair Remy clip-in extensions, what is amazing about this particular type of extensions is that they provide very thin invisible band where the clip-ins are situated. So everything is absolutely seamless. They blend so easily with no fuss. It is so easy to hide the band basically because it's invisible to begin with. The extensions are ultra lightweight, and as you can see guys, I really do have a lot of volume here and nothing is tugging me, nothing is crazy pulling, itching, nothing. I barely can feel it, which is amazing. I never thought it would be so comfortable, so that is amazing. And I decided to go with those mermaid hair because this is literally how I used to wear my hair when my natural real hair was long. This is my absolutely favorite hairstyle with this half updo, a little bit, you know, messy, a little bit tousled, typical beachy mermaid waves. I absolutely love the hairstyle, and for the past 2 years I've been dying to finally do it again, guys, to finally do it again. Not to mention the color is exactly like my natural hair color, as you can probably see already. This is a perfect color for me, and this, I don't know how they did it, but they did it. I'm so stunned by this. So yes, guys, now if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. When it comes to the color, the team is amazing, and on the website you can use their guide, or you can ask them directly and they will help you, of course, free of charge. So that is amazing. Also, the shipping was super smooth and quick, which I'm very, very happy about. So yes, guys, I think we can swiftly move on to the tutorial and to the whole transformation. I'm very excited about this, and I hope you are too. Honestly, these extensions are so worth getting, because again, if I can do it, guys, you can do it too, and it looks so, so beautiful. I am just in love, just in love. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so this is me with my normal hair. I washed it, I straightened it. What you're gonna need for this is a hair waver. I use a Babyliss one with a deep wave. You're gonna use a comb, a smaller comb to tease if needed, and also a texturizing spray. I find it to be the best from Allsis Plus, and of course a brush to brush through your hair. So that's what I'm starting with. I'm just quickly brushing my hair again, and I will be sectioning the hair very high up because my hair is so short. We don't want that cut showing through. So this is how it's going to look like. So step one will be to basically tie in your hair from the back, all that's left, and you're going to put it in a very, very sleek bun so that the haircut completely disappears. And now you can put in the 4 piece of extensions, so 4 clips. And I'm doing it right above the bun that I just made. It's super easy. Now we're gonna take down our hair. As you can see, I have a lot of volume in my fringe. So I'll be sectioning again, and now we will be using 2 pieces of free clip-ins. But before we do that, I'm just gonna wave my hair as I go, so it's gonna be way easier for me later on. I will not have to go deep into my hair, and this is what you are left with. So yes, I'm just repeating the process all over my hair. This will look very, very nice in the end, I promise you. So yes, now that my hair is pretty much beautifully sectioned, we're putting on those 3 clips from each side. And what I want to achieve is to put them from each side and basically have them merge onto each other in the back, so that we have a full crown of hair secured. And this is basically going to be our main portion of the extensions. This is how we're going to shape the full length. So yes, I'm just clipping them in, and I'm gonna wave them. So as you can see, this is how it should look. They basically are merged in the back, and this creates the best volume and coverage of your natural hair. And again, I'm repeating the process. I'm waving the hair. I also sprayed it with some texturizing spray. Now we're going to move on to the 4 clip again, and I'm putting it right above what we just did, so those 2 3-piece extensions. And now we have a full coverage in the back. It is straight, don't worry. it's fine. But now everything is covered in the back, and we're gonna wave it just like that. So now it's starting to look like something, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to blend in the pieces the best way we can with those smaller extensions. So that's step number 4. At this point, you can figure out how you want your fringe to be. I still have it clipped in and tucked away. Now I'm putting the double hair extensions, so 2 clip, in the back again. And I'm gonna blend it in with everything that's left around my face. So yes, now we have to basically secure ourselves and figure out how to cover those front pieces, and I'm using the single clip-in on both sides, just like that, and of course blending it together. And this gave me the perfect blend for my hair. Pretty much everything is covered now. So now we're just gonna cover the top section and of course do the fringe. I really want that half updo, so I'm taking my whole fringe to the back. And this way everything is covered even more, because you know the fringe goes right on top of the hair clips, and I'm just clipping it in the back. You know, you can play around with those pieces, make them a little bit more tousled, however you wanted to have it. But this is what I do. I just use 2 small clips, and that's pretty much done. Now I'm gonna use some more texturizing spray just to give this piecey, beachy look to the hair. It's so nice now. I really love how it looks, but I wanna make it even more perfect. So everything that's left and hanging out, I'm just gonna blend in with the waver. Once again, you know, these are just cosmetic steps. And that is pretty much it, guys. I really love the look. It's messy, it's tousled, it's very much of a volume. I love it. And as you can see, nothing is showing. I'm so happy. I look like a siren again. Love it. So this is the hair in natural light. As you can see, it blends in perfectly with my natural hair, which is amazing. It's a beautiful muted light brown with slight golden reflex, but very slight. I absolutely love it. It looks really beautiful. Okay, my love, so that is it when it comes to this tutorial. I really hope I went really in depth when it comes to all the steps. This is just my technique. I kind of improvised. Of course, I did know the core basis of how to put them on. However, I really did improvise to make it work for my own hair, which is very thick, very blunt cut. So, you know, I think this is the most difficult type of hair to blend in the hair extensions with. But honestly, guys, it looks just perfect. I see no difference between my natural hair and the extensions. They look absolutely beautiful. I feel like my old self again. I feel so much more feminine and girly at the same time than with my short hair. So once my hair gets long, I will surely keep using these extensions because they give you so much more oomph and volume, which is amazing. I love them, and you can choose different options on the website. You can choose the luxurious version, which contains more clip-ins. The ones that I have contains 2 pieces of clip-ins. You can choose also a smaller package. If your hair is fine, I'm sure you'll be fine with less extensions. However, if your hair is on the thicker side, I would surely choose the luxurious version. Of course, you can choose all different styles of coloring, from balayage to highlights to a blunt coloring. So that is amazing. They really have so many options. So I highly recommend checking them out. They are a beautiful brand with a very exciting price tag. Comparing to other brands, I think that they are really worth trying out, because you're not gonna break the bank and you're gonna feel absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. You have no idea how happy I am to have my beautiful long hair back. I just feel amazing. So I really hope that you are gonna try it and feel just amazing as I do. So yes, guys, that is it. Thank you once again to Mhot Hair for partnering up with me for this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.